Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you HTML, and it's actually going to be a series of tutorials which is going to end up in you creating your first HTML website or web page or document if you've not already done so. And HTML is very easy. The things you would need are a web browser, which I know you already have. If you're on a PC, you would have Internet Explorer. If you're on a Mac, you would have Safari. Other browsers you could use are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Then you would need an HTML editor or a text editor, which you could get from these links. Komodo Edit Context. I'm already using context right now. Let me just show you the links, the web pages. This is Komodo Edit. You could download it by clicking this button. That is the link over there. This is Context Editor. You could download it here. This is a portable version. Then Notepad++, which you could download from here. Okay. Now let me take you straight to this. Okay, this is the basic structure of an HTML page. Every website, every web page you would see would have this basic structure. Let me let you know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, but a markup language. And in HTML, HTML comprises of elements. And elements describes each piece of the HTML web page, and an element would have three parts. That would be the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. Let me illustrate that to you. This you see right here is called, this is the HTML element. This is the starting tag. Let me give you an example. You have here HTML. This is the starting tag, and this is the closing tag. Every element you see, with a few exceptions, would have this structure. This would be for the content, whatever would be in between. You could have any other um, content like these you have over here. So this right here, this is the HTML element comprising or consisting of the start tag or the opening tag and the closing tag, and the content would be inside the tag. Alright, let me do away with this. So this is the basics, as in this is the foundation of HTML. You have elements which consist of the start tag and the closing tag, and these are the four basic, will I say basic, yeah, basic tags that every HTML page should or would have. You have the HTML element, you have the head element, you have the body element. Okay, there's also one in the head element, the title element. Sorry, there's a typo. There's a type. The title element here. So that's the title element comprising of the start tag. We'll have some content in here. Let's do that right now. My first HTML page. Yeah. So that's it. This is the simple structure, the simple format of HTML. And the title element usually goes inside the head element. So these are it's going to be. So I wanted to create this, pause the video and create this same document, copy everything you see and save it as, I forgot to mention that you could use Notepad to create HTML documents, a simple Notepad which you already have. So you would save this as HTML 101 dot, you save it as HTML document dot HTML. Let me save it on my desktop. Save. Yeah, I already have it there, so let me replace. Okay. So when you save that up, let's open that up in the browser and see what it will look like. Here is my HTML 101 document. Let me open it in my Google Chrome. You see, there's actually nothing because we don't have a content in it. But notice one thing: we put my first, we typed my first HTML page as our title, which is this. You see right here, first type. This is it, my first HTML page. That is what is showing. That's what is reflecting there on the tab. My first HTML page. So I want you three things to remember. The HTML, in HTML, you're going to be dealing with elements, and each element has three components: the start, the starting or opening tag, the content, which will be everything inside, then the closing tag or the end tag, as you may have it.